Roosters or cocks crow for several reasons. First, let's talk about territorial signaling. Roosters crow to assert their dominance and mark their territory. It serves as a signal to other roosters that this area is claimed. Additionally, it can also warn other roosters to stay away from their flock and territory. Second, communication. Roosters crow to communicate with their flock, often to alert them of potential dangers or changes in their environment. Crowing can also help in coordinating activities within the flock, such as foraging. 3. Circadian rhythms. Roosters have a strong internal biological clock that makes them crow at certain times of the day, often just before dawn. This behavior is driven by their circadian rhythms. Crowing at dawn is a natural behavior, signaling the start of a new day. However, they can crow at other times too, depending on environmental cues and disturbances. 4. Mating calls. Crowing can be a way for roosters to attract hens by demonstrating their presence and fitness. Frequent crowing can be associated with higher reproductive success, as it signals a strong and healthy rooster. 5. Response to stimuli. Roosters may crow in response to sudden changes in their environment, such as loud noises, lights, or the presence of predators. They may also crow in response to human activities or disturbances, especially if they are accustomed to being around people. Conclusion. Roosters crow for territorial signaling, communication with their flock, biological clock regulation, mating calls, and in response to environmental stimuli. This behavior is a natural part of their role in the flock and their instinctual need to establish dominance and ensure the safety of their group.